Read each expression by the job its terms, factors, coefficients, and constants perform.
25x plus 150. When an algebraic expression is spoken aloud without a visual aid, the numbers and variables can easily sound like a sequence of disconnected symbols. The human brain often struggles to parse raw mathematical audio. Without a page to look at, abstract letters and digits can quickly be processed as meaningless noise. We are often taught to view these strings of characters as puzzles, where the only objective is to find a missing value, like x. This narrow focus on calculating an answer can make us overlook the specific scenario the math is attempting to describe. Understanding spoken math requires a shift in focus. We must identify the functional jobs each component performs before we ever try to solve the equation. Terms, factors, coefficients, and constants each tell us something about the structure and context of an expression. Identifying these specific roles allows us to see how each part of an expression connects to a specific piece of information. P of x equals 25x plus 150 gives event revenue in dollars when x tickets are sold. In this scenario, the number 25 acts as the primary engine of the expression. The coefficient 25 means $25 per ticket sold. C of m equals 12m plus 40 gives total cost in dollars after m months. Here, the constant 40 serves as the unmoving anchor of the cost. The constant 40 is the $40 starting fee. These coefficients drive the rate of change in the model, while the constants represent the fixed starting conditions. Multiplication describes how components scale. In the area expression, 3x times the quantity x plus 2, 3x is one factor. It is one multiplicative part of the area. This specific factor functions as one complete physical dimension of the space being measured. Addition allows us to group calculations into sets. In P equals 4n plus 3c, where n is notebooks and c is calculators, the term 3c represents the total cost of the calculators. Factors scale dimensions through multiplication, while terms bundle those results into meaningful subtotals. Spoken algebra can sound like a jumble of letters and numbers when we only listen for the final answer. By listening for the structural anatomy, we can instead hear rates of change, baselines, dimensions, and totals. These expressions serve as shorthand models for real-world relationships, where every component represents a physical reality. Mapping an expression through these four pillars helps us see how individual numbers contribute to a total revenue or a physical space. The next time you encounter an expression, pause before attempting to solve it or isolate the variables. Interpret each part by its mathematical role and by what it means in the context.
Waddle names the coefficient. 25 means $25 per ticket.